Let's try to solve the next question. So in this question, it is given that Ramesh walked 6 kilometers to reach the station from his house. So that means, so this is Ramesh's house, and then he walked 6 kilometers to the railway station. So this is the station. How many kilometers did he walk? He walked 6 kilometers. And then this is a train. He boarded a train whose average speed was 60 kilometers per hour, and then he reached his destination. So from this station, he traveled at the rate of 60 kilometers per hour. How much speed is it? It's 60 kilometers per hour, and then he reached his destination. So this is the destination. Okay, and then he said, in this way, he took a total time of 3 hours. So this entire journey took 3 hours time for him to travel. And it was also given the average speed. The average speed of this journey is 32 kilometers per hour. Right? Now tell me one thing. If the average speed and the total time is given, can I find the total distance of this journey? I can, right? The total distance, velocity is distance by time. So this velocity is distance by time, and then distance is nothing but velocity into time. So in this case, the average speed is 32 and time is 3 hours. So the total distance is nothing but 96 kilometers. How much is this? 96 kilometers. So therefore, this total distance is 96 kilometers. Are you clear, students? If the total is 96 kilometers, and you know that this particular distance is 6 kilometers, then what is the leftover distance, students? Which is the distance from station to the destination. The distance from station to destination is nothing but 90 kilometers, which is 96 minus 6 kilometers. Are you clear? Now, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to find the average speed of the walking. So this is the walking section. The walking section is nothing but the from home to station, right? We are supposed to find out the average speed. We already have the distance here. If I can calculate the time of this section, I'll be able to find out the answer for this question. So the question says, if the average speed of the entire journey is 32 kilometers per hour, then the average speed of walking is. Now in this area, I have velocity and I have the distance. Can I find the time for this section? Right? I can find out the time for this section very easily. So it's nothing but this particular section time is distance by velocity, which is 90 by 60. So 90 by 60 is nothing but 3 by 2. It is 1.5 hours. That means you are taking 1.5 hours to travel from this station to destination. So out of 3 hours, you're taking 1.5 hours in this section. Therefore, the walking section requires 1.5 hours. Are you clear, students? Amazing. So using this particular value, which is 1.5 hours and 6 kilometers, I need to find out the average speed. So the average speed is velocity is distance by time for walking. And what is the average distance which is actually covered by walking? Which is 6 kilometers. And the time is 1.5 hours. What is it? 1.5 hours, which is 6 by 3 by 2, which is 2 to 2, which is 4 kilometers per hour. Therefore, to answer this question is 4 kilometers per hour. Hope you are very clear with this particular concept, which is very, very important. And let's go to the next question in the next video. Thank you so much.